Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga, and welcome to this building strength class, Yoga for Strength. Are you ready? We are halfway through this challenge, so I hope you're feeling good and you have plenty of place to practice and you are well hydrated. Let's get started. So sit nice and tall, press the palms of the hands together, take a long inhale. And just take a few moments to check in with body, mind, emotions as we embark on this yoga to build strength session. Feel connected to the breath and take a deeper breath in. And exhale, gently open the eyes. Release the hands and inhale, take the arms out. Exhale, press the palms towards each other all together. Inhale, and on the exhale, slide the right arm back. Inhale to center. Exhale and slide. Inhale back. Change sides. Exhale, left hand. Inhale back. Exhale, slide. Inhale back. Exhale, press the palms of the hands together. Begin to lift to your own measure. Press, press, press. Inhale. Exhale, continue to press as you squeeze the elbows towards each other. Inhale. Exhale, keep pressing as you begin to straighten through the elbows. Inhale, and then exhale, swing the arms through. Very good. From here, come through to an all fours position. As always, pad your knees if you need to. So, revisiting a little vinyasa from day one to warm up. Inhale, tuck the toes under. Exhale, push and lift back into downward dog. And just take a moment there. Lift and lower the heels if you need to. Connect with your breath. Good. So from here, inhale, ripple the spine forward as you come to plank. Exhale as you sink back to dog. Inhale, coming through. Remember, you can do this with the knees down. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. This time you're going to hold, stay, or exhale, mini dip. Inhale to lift up. Exhale, squeeze the glutes, mini dip. Inhale to lift up. Then exhale, back to dog. Good. From here, look between the hands. Inhale, step, jog, or jump through. Exhale to fold. Inhale, rise up. Exhale. And again. Inhale, rise up. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, step or jump back to plank, lower the body, chaturanga. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Good. From here, inhale, come through to plank. Now, we can try this in reverse, what we tried on day 3. So on the exhale, right elbow down, left elbow down. If it feels too much, you'll bring the knees down. Good. Make sure you lower through the glutes and then lift from up. Lift from the lower body. Good. And then inhale, right hand, left hand. And again, right elbow, left elbow. Inhale, right hand, left hand. From here, chaturanga. Lower the body, shoulders burning, I know. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Catch your breath. We've still got another side to do. Building strength. From here, inhale, come through, back to plank. The other way this time. Exhale, left elbow, right elbow. Inhale, left hand, right hand. Inhale, left elbow, right elbow. Exhale. Inhale, left hand, right hand. Good, squeeze the glutes. Exhale, lower the body. Inhale, back bend of choice. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, walk the hands back towards the feet. Exhale, sit back into chair pose. Inhale to straighten. Exhale to bend. Inhale to straighten. Very good. Exhale to bend. This time, keep the bend. Feet can be together or apart, your choice. Sit back. Good. You might have prayer hands. Good. From this position, inhale. Exhale, straighten a bit. Inhale to lower. Exhale, straighten a bit. Inhale to lower. Exhale, straighten a bit, smiling as if this is enjoyable. Inhale to lower. Exhale, straighten a bit. Inhale. Exhale, walk back out to plank. Inhale, bring the knees down. Exhale. Very good. That was a start, wasn't it? So from here, we are going to bring the bricks back in. Our friends, the bricks. If you don't have them, don't worry. Just do everything as you were. So feel the extra elevation there on the bricks. Straighten the elbows. If you can, you'll bring the knees together. And keep the knees down for a bit. Feel the stability through the back. Inhale. Exhale, lean forward a bit. Inhale, straighten the elbows. And then exhale, as you squeeze the glutes, bend the elbows. Inhale to straighten. Exhale to bend. Good. Keep them in. Inhale to straighten. Strong move. Exhale to bend. Keep them in. Inhale to straighten. Exhale to bend. Keep them in. Inhale to straighten. And exhale, sink back into extended child on the bricks. Gather yourself, get your breath. Good. From here, slide the bricks in. I'm going to revisit that squat, that crow prep, remember? A few days ago. From here, inhale, tip your weight forward. And then sit back onto the heels. Inhale, walk the feet to external rotation. Remember, you can do this from much higher up if you need to. From this position, hands are on the lower, bricks are on the lowest setting. Press the hands into the bricks or the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Knees up, not to the elbows, but above the elbows, right up to the upper arm, and see if you can hold. Good, and then exhale to sink back. So a few trail runs. Inhale, lift, squeeze, look straight down. Exhale. Inhale, lift and squeeze and hold. Walk the toes in as you need to. Good, keep holding nice and high. Squeeze the glutes, lock the arms into the thighs. Good, feel the shake. From here, either stay, come down, or see if you can lift a foot. And then exhale. Lift a foot, and then exhale. And again, lift a foot, and then exhale. Lift a foot, and then exhale. Inhale, sit back into your squat. Exhale as we come to Malasana. Just a little time out here. Good, find your breath, even it out. If you need to be higher, be higher. Good. Circle out the wrists if that felt pretty strong. I'm going to go back in. Good. From here, bring the hands back to the bricks. Repetition, remember, builds strength. Inhale, we come back in. Exhale. And from here, as you do that tuck, you might lean forward. You might begin to lift one. You might begin to lift the other. Don't worry if it doesn't happen. Doesn't matter. So you might go back to lifting single, single. If that was easy for you, you might lift both. Just keep squeezing, squeezing. Good. And then exhale. From here, slide the bricks forward. We're into vinyasa on the bricks. Step the feet back. Exhale, lower the body, chaturanga. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Even out the breath. You feeling sweaty yet? You're feeling strong, I hope. Feel how inner and outer strength work together. From here, look forward. Inhale, step through with the right leg, revisiting the high lunge from day 2. From here, come up nice and high on your bricks. If you're using them, good. Push out through the back heel. Remember the steps. We revisit. Inhale, leg back. Exhale, leg forward. You want to go medium? For more stability, that's good. Inhale back. Exhale forward. If this is easy for you, remember you can do a jump switch. A jump switch. We've got 2 more. A jump switch. A jump switch. This time, either stay or inhale, lift up. Revisiting crescent moon. Good. Stay nice and low. Don't fall over. I nearly did. Woo. And then lift the arms up. Good. Feel the strength through the lower body. From here, either stay or inhale, dip the left knee. Exhale, lift. 2 more. Inhale, dip. Exhale, lift. Inhale, dip. Exhale, lift. Bring the arms down. Inhale, exhale, either step or jump switch, your choice. Stabilize. Find the pelvic floor. Inhale, rise up. Exhale. Strong heart, strength, cardio for the heart. Good. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Either stay, that may well be enough, or inhale, dip. Exhale, lift. Inhale, dip. Exhale, lift. Last one. Inhale, dip. Exhale, lift. Inhale, bring bricks to their lowest setting. Exhale, step back to plank and hold for stability. 5, 4. Good. Lift. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, bring the knees down. Come down to seated. Bring the bricks with you as you slide your legs out. Well done. Bring the bricks kind of down halfway down the legs. Do sit in Dandasana. From this position, I'm just going to release the back with a bit of a twist before going any further. So inhale, right hand crosses to the left, brick or floor, and exhale, float the left arm up. Good, you might gaze towards that hand. That's easy for you. You might take hold of the side edge of the foot, whichever feels best. Good. And then we change. Inhale, left hand. Exhale, right arm up. Excuse me. If it bothers the shoulder, then don't do it. Just keep your hand on your hip. Breathing. That's easy. A little bit deeper. Good. And then inhale as we come up and exhale. So from this position, we're back to our friend Navasana. Inhale, walk the feet in. Exhale. I'm going to focus this time on the oblique abdominals. So these are sides of the abdominals rather than the mid-range. So from here, you can keep your heels down. Inhale, float the arms up. And then exhale to your left. Good. You might press the palms together. Inhale to open. Bit tricky. Exhale together. Inhale to lift to center. Exhale to the right. Inhale to open. Exhale. And again. Inhale to lift. Exhale left. Inhale open. Exhale. Last one. Inhale lift. Exhale right. Inhale open. Exhale. From here, cross the ankles. Inhale, step through. Come to plank. Lower the body. Chaturanga. Inhale to lift. And exhale to dog. Good. From here, staying with the strength. Inhale, walk the right heel in until it's on the floor. And then exhale, lift the left leg into 3-legged dog. You need to keep the big toe down, that's fine. Otherwise, point the toes. Good. Press into the right heel. Press out of the shoulders. Hold. Breathing and feeling. Relax the head. Press out of both hands equally. Good. Keep lifting, lifting, lifting. Then exhale. Changing sides. Inhale. Press into the left heel. Float the right leg up. Find your breath. Squeeze the pelvic floor. Press out of the shoulders. Press out of the heel. Lifting, lifting, lifting. Inhale. Bring it down. Exhale. From here, inhale, bring the forearms down. Tricky, tricky. We've been practicing this. Exhale, feet might be together, whichever works for you. So we'll come into dolphin. From here, inhale, look between the forearms. Exhale, lift up onto your toes if you can. And then inhale to lower if it's too much. Just keep the feet down. Exhale, lift. Now you can do this with the knees down. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Forward. Last one. Inhale. Exhale, lift forward and hold. Good. Few breaths. You can do it. Squeeze the glutes. Press out with the elbows. Press, press, press. Exhale back. Inhale, knees down. Exhale. Very good. Oh, you sweating? I am. Interweave the fingers behind you. Good. Roll the shoulders forward. Do a little shoulder release. Inhale. Exhale and just hinge forward as you feel an openness. That might be as far as you go. You might release the head. You might begin to lift the arms up and see what works. And then inhale to release that. Slowly come up, avoid a head rush. Exhale to unclasp. Inhale, lift the shoulders. Exhale, roll back. And again, inhale to lift. Exhale, last one. Inhale. Exhale. So I'm staying in virasana, sitting back on the heels. You come to comfortable seated if this doesn't suit you. Good. We've arrived here. Yes, to close the class. Well done. So gently bow the head, giving thanks for your health, practice, and all of these strength challenges that help us, most importantly, with all the challenges that come off the mat. This is why we're doing this. This is why we put ourselves through this. So then inhale, lift the prayer hands up. Exhale, Namaste. So thank you for practicing with me. Do hydrate after that class. It was a sweaty one. Hit like if you liked it, kinda. Subscribe, and I hope to see you here for day 5. We're nearly there. Take care.